Alright, we are staying here at Hotel Indigo in Shibuya. It's pretty close to the area where we stayed at over the summer. We are checking in right now. We're at the 12th floor, which is pretty interesting. The reception area is on the 12th floor. But yeah, somewhere here is the Shibuya crossing. But yeah, we're just checking in. There's a might be a brewery or a pub downstairs. Check out the name, Shibuya. I'm digging it, on the 3rd floor. This is a pretty nice hotel, Hotel Indigo in Shibuya. This area right here, you could hang out, a little outdoor area. We're currently in the 12th floor, so this must be the 11th floor. And there are elevators that even go higher to the actual hotel rooms. But down there is where all the shopping is happening. Pretty much the primary reason why we're back in Japan. So Abby and Mirna, our business partner, is going to go to town. And I'm here to eat and carry bags. But check that out, way over there, Tower Records. I wonder if it's actually a store still. Maybe we'll go in that area and check it out. We are back in Tokyo. Love this place. Can't wait to eat. Alright, we are on the 1st floor. It says street access of the Hotel Indigo. And they got some food down here, but none of the stores except Don Coyote is open because they're 24 hours. And this is how we roll. We got the suitcases going. That is the shopping cart of choice. Oh man. So let's check it out. So we are here in Don Coyote. It's a multi-floor like shopping building. They have a bunch of many different things, multiple floors, clothes, accessories, hair and beauty, all sorts of stuff. Currently $1 is about 149 yen, 150 yen, something like that. But yeah, so this is the go-to place. They are open 24 hours a day, but many people go here to go shopping. But there are also many other places, but again, this is 24 hours a day that they are open. Alright, after a few hours of shopping, we are now heading into our room. So we are on the 15th floor, and oh, this is pretty nice. There is some slippers right there, and oh, I like this. This is nice. I like the decoration. Yes. Oh, got a nice view there too. And some glass, complimentary water, and Nespresso machine. Where's the bathroom at? Is there no bathroom? Where is it?
It's right here.
What? I thought it was a closet.
That's what I thought too. Akala ko closet.
Oh.
Nice.
Got the sink.
ito yung
They all have bidets, huh?
yeah, everything.
Oh yeah, bidet.
Tabo lang. It's a full bath. See?
Yeah, that's the deep dish tubs. The Japan has deep dish tubs. Interesting. Okay. All right. All right. Yes. Deep dish tub right there. See, so there's even pajamas. Ooh, yes. Man, Japan's dope. I'm telling y'all. And so Bedside has chargers. Not only that, Type C is already here. Type A, Type C, 100-volt plug compatible. No need to get a transformer. They run the same volts as the United States. Very nice. All right, we are gonna be hitting up Yoshinoya. It is not what you think. This stuff is good over here. It's actually good. And on top of that, they either serve water or Sapporo. That's all they got. They got no soda. They just have water or beer.